Hello, everyone, and welcome to Smart English Official.
Do you want to speak English on a plane without fear?
Do you want to ask for water, find your seat, and not sit in the wrong place by mistake? Then stay with us, because today we will learn easy English through airplane travel.
Yes, from the airport door to the hotel door. We will go together, step by step.
And do not worry, we will use very simple English today.
Very simple, very easy, and a little funny, too.
So take your bag, hold your ticket, and let's fly into English.
Welcome to Smart English Official.
Hi, dear friends. I'm Lima.
And I'm James, your travel friend, your English friend, and maybe your snack friend, too.
Today, we will learn smart English through airplane travel.
This is great for beginners.
Yes, because many people feel shy at the airport.
Or scared on the plane.
Or confused when they hear fast English.
But today, we will make it easy.
We will learn easy words.
Easy lines.
Easy questions.
And easy answers.
We will also act like real people on a trip.
So you can listen, enjoy, and learn.
Ready, James?
Ready, Lima, and ready to fly.
First, let's start at the airport.
You walk into the airport and wow, it is big.
You see many people, many bags, and many screens.
Some people look calm.
Some people look lost.
Some people walk very fast, like they're in a race.
When you enter the airport, you may say, "Excuse me, where is check-in?"
Let's say it again slowly. Excuse me, where is check-in?
Good, that is a very useful line.
Excuse me is a polite way to ask.
And check-in is the place where you show your ticket and bag.
Now let's do a small scene.
I will be the airport worker.
And I will be the traveler with a big bag and a small brain.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, excuse me, where is check-in?
Check-in is over there, near door 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was easy.
Yes, short and clear is good.
Now you go to the check-in desk.
At the desk, the worker may say, "May I see your passport?"
Or, can I see your ticket?
You can answer, "Yes, here you are."
Let's say that one again. Here you are.
This means I am giving it to you now.
Very useful. Very common, very smart.
Then the worker may ask, "Do you have any bags to check?"
Check here means put your big bag under the plane.
If the answer is yes, you can say, "Yes, I have one bag."
Or, yes, I have 2 bags.
If the answer is no, you can say, "No, just the small bag."
I like the small bag answer.
Why?
Because my big bag is always too heavy.
Yes, that happens a lot.
Then the worker may say, please put your bag here.
You put the bag on the scale.
And then you pray.
Yes, because maybe the bag is too heavy.
If the worker says your bag is too heavy, do not panic.
You can ask, "How many kilos?"
Or, what can I do?
Very good.
Then maybe you open your bag.
You take out 5 shirts, 3 books, and 1 giant snack box.
Hey, travel is hungry work.
After check-in, you get your boarding pass.
This is the paper or phone pass that helps you get on the plane.
The worker may say, "Here is your boarding pass."
You can say, thank you.
Then ask this if you need help. "Where is the gate?"
Very important line. Where is the gate?
The gate is the place where you wait before you get on the plane.
Now let's move to bag check or security.
Many learners hear this word and feel nervous.
Yes, but the English is often simple.
At security, a worker may say, "Please put your bag here,"
Or take out your phone.
or "Please walk through."
You do not need a long answer.
You can just say, "Okay,"
Or sure.
or "No problem."
If you don't understand, say this. Sorry, can you say that again?
This is one of the best English lines in the world.
Yes, because sometimes people speak fast, like a train.
And you need them to slow down.
You can also say, please speak slowly.
Very good.
Let's say both together. Sorry, can you say that again?
Please speak slowly.
Great job.
After security, now you can go to your gate.
Maybe you have time.
Maybe you do not.
Maybe you run like in a movie.
At the gate, you wait for your flight.
You listen for your flight number.
You look at the screen.
And maybe you buy water, because airport water is gold. Sorry, but it is true.
While you wait, you may hear, "Now boarding."
Boarding means people can now get on the plane.
Then the worker may say, "Boarding pass, please."
You can smile and say, "Here you are."
Then you walk to the plane.
This is the fun part.
Or the scary part for some people.
Or the part where I start thinking too much about my seat.
On the plane, a worker may help you.
We call this person a flight attendant.
But for easy talk, you can just think plane worker.
Yes, simple is okay.
You may ask, "Excuse me, where is seat 12A?"
Good line. Excuse me, where is seat 12A?
Then the worker may say, "It's over there, on the left."
Or go straight.
Or, "This way, please."
Then you find your seat.
Maybe it is a window seat.
Good for photos.
Maybe it is an aisle seat.
Good for walking.
Maybe it is a middle seat.
Good for learning patience.
Be nice.
I am nice, just honest.
Now you sit down.
You put your small bag under your seat or above your head.
Then you hear, "Please fasten your seatbelt."
This means put on your seatbelt.
You do not need to answer, but if you want, you can say, "Okay."
If you need help, you can ask, "Can you help me?"
Short, easy, useful. Then the plane starts to move.
Slowly, slowly, then faster.
Some people smile.
Some people sleep.
Some people hold the seat like this.
Yes, and some people become very close friends with the armrest.
If you feel scared, you can say, "I'm a little nervous."
Or, "I don't feel okay."
The workers can help you.
Do not stay silent if you need help.
That is smart travel English.
Then, after some time, the plane is in the air.
Now let's learn easy English for things you may need.
If you want water, say, "Can I have some water, please?"
Very polite. If you want tea, say, "Can I have some tea, please?"
If you want juice, say, "Can I have some juice, please?"
Very easy pattern.
"Can I have some, please?"
You can change the last word.
Water, tea, coffee, juice.
Or maybe a snack.
Ah, yes, the small snack that makes me feel rich for 5 minutes.
James really loves snacks.
I do, and I am not sorry.
If the worker asks, "Chicken or pasta?"
You can answer, "Chicken, please."
Or, "Pasta, please?"
Do not say, "Both, please."
Unless you want a big smile and a no.
If you want to go to the toilet, say, "Excuse me."
Yes, that simple line works well.
And if you need to ask, say, "Where is the toilet?"
On many planes, people also say restroom or bathroom.
But toilet is easy and clear.
If the seatbelt sign is on, wait a little.
Yes, do not stand up and dance in the aisle.
Please do not do that.
Now let's talk about meeting people on a plane.
Sometimes the person next to you says hello.
This is a nice chance to use easy English.
They may ask, "Hi, where are you going?"
You can say, "I'm going to Bangkok,"
Or, "I'm going to London."
or "I'm going home."
They may ask, "Is this your first time?"
You can say, "Yes, it's my first time."
Or, "No, I travel a lot."
I want to say that one, but my face says I am lost.
That is okay.
We all learn step by step.
Here is a small talk scene.
I like small talk, if it is not too early in the morning.
"Hi, where are you going?"
I'm going to Tokyo.
"Nice. Is it your first time?"
Yes, it is. I'm very excited and a little scared.
Don't worry, you'll be okay.
Thank you.
That is simple, friendly, and natural.
Now let's learn what to say if there is a problem.
Very useful.
If you cannot find your seat, say, "I can't find my seat."
If your bag is too big, say, "Where can I put this bag?"
If you feel cold, say, "Can I have a blanket, please?"
If you feel sick, say, I don't feel well.
If you do not understand, say, "Can you help me, please?"
Good. Always add please when you can.
It sounds kind.
And kind English is strong English.
Now let's talk about a funny thing, turbulence.
When the plane shakes a little.
A little, or a lot, nervously.
If that happens, stay calm.
The worker may say, "Please stay seated."
Or, please fasten your seatbelt.
You can take a deep breath.
And say, okay, I'm okay.
I also say, "I trust the plane, I trust the plane."
And maybe stop watching the wings every 2 seconds.
Fine, I will try.
Now the plane starts to go down.
This is landing.
You may hear, we will land soon.
Then check your seatbelt.
Put your table up
Put your seat back in the right place.
and wait.
Do not stand up too fast.
Yes, some people stand up 1 second after landing and then stand there with no space like tall statues.
Please wait until it is time.
When you leave the plane, you can say, thank you.
A very good simple line.
Then you go to get your bag.
This place is called baggage claim.
But if that feels hard, just think bag area.
If you need help, say, "Where can I get my bag?"
Easy, useful, done.
Then maybe you need a taxi.
Or a bus.
Or maybe coffee first.
Always coffee first. Let's do a quick review now.
Yes, mini review time.
I say the idea and James says the easy English.
Let's do it.
You want to find check-in.
Excuse me, where is check-in?
You want to give your passport.
Here you are.
You want to know your gate.
Where is the gate?
You do not understand.
Sorry, can you say that again?
You want the person to speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
You want water.
Can I have some water, please?
You cannot find your seat.
I can't find my seat.
You need help.
Can you help me, please?
You feel nervous.
I'm a little nervous.
You leave the plane.
Thank you.
Great job.
These are small lines, but they can help you a lot.
Yes, you do not need big English for travel.
You need clear English
Calm English.
and brave English.
Even if your voice shakes a little, it is okay.
Even if you make a small mistake, it is okay.
English grows when you use it.
Not when you hide it.
So next time you travel, try one easy line.
Then try one more.
Then one more.
Then one more.
Step by step, you will get better.
And remember, you are not the only one learning.
Many people feel shy.
Many people feel slow,
Many people need time.
and that is okay.
Learning English is like a trip.
Yes, you do not jump to the end.
You go stop by stop,
Word by word,
line by line,
flight by flight.
snack by snack.
Of course you said that.
Of course. Dear friends, thank you for learning with us today.
We hope this trip in English was fun,
We hope it was easy.
and we hope you feel more ready for your next flight,
This is Smart English Official.
where simple English can take you far.
I'm Lima.
And I'm James.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep going.
And if you travel soon, have a safe flight, and please do not take 7 jackets in one bag like me.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you on Smart English Official.